Good morning, everyone. Assalamu alaikum. Yes, today is the day I'm flying out to Pakistan. Day has finally arrived. I didn't get enough sleep due to excitement, but now here I'm at Birmingham airport. Yes, it is quiet. Well, it looks quiet at the moment, but I'll see what it's gonna look like when it comes to boarding. Let me show you something really interesting you guys want to see. Say hello to the beautiful bird. Isn't she beautiful? So this is a young Dreamliner, 3 years old, and came about 10 minutes early, before its arrival time, and I still have about 30 minutes to my boarding. But I will try my best to make this video not too long, but when it comes to flight report, it's not a long video. But yeah, now what I'm gonna say is consider this video as a vlog, because I'm gonna show you everything. Obviously takeoff, landing, the food, Doha airport. So like I said, consider this as a vlog, because when I was flying out to Dubai, and my flight report video to Dubai was with the Emirates night flight, as I was showing you everything, talking through, and I had a comment. A guy said this is more like a vlog than a flight report, so that's what I'm saying now. Consider this as a vlog. But I'm gonna obviously turn this off now, because I don't want to make it too long, the video, because I want to say for everything later on. But yeah, that's about it. I'll see you on board. Hey guys, I'm finally on board now in the plane, and as you can see, a lot different than Emirates. I've booked my seat to 25A, which is a window view, wing view, yeah. And must say, I've got quite good leg space. Flight is quite dead. It is quite flight. And I got my phone on charge, got my everything. Let me show you the window seat. And you got there to, sort of the brightness as well. I'm just waiting for the pushback now. And we'll carry on through then.
fastened at all times during the flight. If you're using a blanket, we kindly ask that you fasten your seatbelt over your blanket so it's visible. We invite you to browse through Extravaganza or in-flight duty-free boutique catalog, which is available only in your seat pocket. Our in-flight meal service will come in shortly with hot breakfast, followed later on the flight by refreshments, at which time your cabin crew will inform you of your available meal choices. If there is anything that we could do to make your flight more comfortable, please feel free to let us know. Ladies and gentlemen, Educate the Child is an initiative supported by Qatar Airways that facilitates access to primary education for out-of-school children. There are 58 million children worldwide without access to quality primary education. They live in countries suffering from poverty, discrimination, conflict, or natural disasters. We would be grateful for your support in making our donation to this noble cause by placing your contributions in the envelopes provided in the seat pocket. Please hand over the envelopes to a member of the cabin crew. Thank you and have a pleasant flight with Qatar Airways.
like a bluish, so it doesn't disturb you from the daylight. Like this one is totally dark, whereas this I've changed mine a little bit as well. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to join my flight, probably connect to Wi-Fi now, and watch movies, have a nice breakfast, and then I'll show you. Okay, one thing I've noticed is you can't shut the windows, so that's why they got this to change the color. Now I understand, which is quite reasonable, you know, it's good, so you can enjoy the view as well. Right. Let's see what they got for us. guys, so that's my omelette with chicken sausage, and I got the movie on as well alongside me. I've got my other seat. I've got the edge on as well. So I'm taking all the flights, see where I'm flying now. So it's like we're flying over Germany. And let's take it. Hey guys, as you can see, I just come out from the lab. Really tired. What they did is they served us a snack now. Yes, we are, I'd say about 2 hours and 30 minutes away from our destination. So they serve a sandwich, which is vegetarian and chicken, mindful chicken, and orange juice. Also, I take off my soft drinks, but I'll show you food in a minute. Snack. So here we have, I would say this is like a chicken, not sandwich, but forgot what's it called now. It's like where you eat like from cracks. You know, it's like one of those. I totally forgot the name, but that's it. Silly me. And then we have like a muffin finger. And there's my juice, so I'm just gonna have my snack now. aircraft have got different wings, you see. Because this is a Dreamliner, whereas 777 they got different as well.
Welcome to Doha, the state of Qatar, your gateway to the world. The local time here in Doha is 14 minutes after the hour of 5 in the evening. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the seatbelt sign has been turned off. Please ensure that you have all your personal belongings with you as you leave the aircraft. Also remember that smoking is only permitted in designated areas of the airport. You may now use your mobile and other electronic devices if you wish to do so. Qatar Airways' preferred hotel here in Doha is the Arms Rotana Hotel. We hope that you will include Qatar Airways as part of your future travel plans to any of our over 150 destinations worldwide. To book your next flight, please visit QatarAirways.com. On behalf of Qatar Airways, the One World Alliance, Captain Emilio, and the rest of your team, we wish you a pleasant stay here in Doha or a safe journey to your final destination. Qatar Airways, going places together. Good evening.
Hey guys, how's it going? And sorry about that. Yeah, I finally landed at Doha Airport. The flight was really good. I really enjoyed the Dreamliner. Had a rest as well. But if you see the landing, it wasn't that clear due to the window. It wasn't that. I think it was because of it steamed up or something. But flight arrived really early, so the expecting arrival time was 5:25. I landed at 5:12, and I just booked myself a Doha city tour as well. And you guys will be joining me there, and really looking forward to it. So yeah, enough of me talking now, and I'm going to show you the Hamad airport. And there we have the famous teddy bear, and we have the Aston Martin. So yeah, let's just walk around. Here we have a Merc AMG GT as well. So yeah, really nice airport, beautiful too. And just gonna start exploring the airport now. Let's just take a picture of this. Hey guys, I'm back at the airport now. Sorry for the wrong information. I said the tour guide was gonna take us to another place, like the last stop. But luckily, good thing we just came here. You know, I was getting really tired, hungry, and one of the passengers came late. So I thought by the time we come here, go through the security checks again, and that'll take time. So because the time in Doha now, it's like nearly 11 o'clock, and the boarding starts around 12:20. So just so you know, I'd rather just stay here, not miss the flight. And my gate for Peshawar was C27, which is I thought further ahead. But when I saw many people here like tons, I had a feeling. I was like, okay, it could be this, but I just wanted to confirm. So it's this, and the good thing about it, we got charging ports here as well. So I'm just charging my phone, and just gonna sit here really. So when it comes to boarding and fly planes, then I'll show you. Assalamu alaikum everyone, and should I just say good evening or good morning, because it's midnight in Doha, and seriously I am buzzing right now. I am so excited. I don't know what to say. I can't just express my excitement for this flight. I got upgraded to business class. Yes, it's all business class, but at least I've got upgraded to business class. I legit didn't expect to be in a business class, but yeah, I am in a business class. Oh my god, I am so excited, and I would actually like laugh if I'm the only one in this business class, because there's legit no one. So you got no one in the front row and no one at the back, so it's just me here. You know, I even booked myself a window seat for the economy class, but no, for the business class. And let me just zoom in the air show. Hiya. Thank you. For some reason they keep changing the menu for the meal. And I swear. And this one, which is, I don't know, this one is an AHF, A7HF. I don't know if this one's old or not. But they even have, I hope you guys can see it. You know, it even has, you know, 2 USB ports, power plug, and I'm just charging my iPhone. And I just can't control my excitement. It's like my third time going on business class. I've been on business class twice on Emirates, 200s from, you know, Dubai to Peshawar to Dubai, and we got another map. I'm just going to zoom in for you guys. And now this is the Doha Peshawar. That's flopped. So yeah, so that's about it really. So those are the A320s. This is the engine menu you'll get, and I think it's just me in the business class. So excited! Oh my god, I can't control it, man. So I'll see you guys shortly when it comes to pushback and take off. Seriously, I can't wait to be home. I just want to be home and sleep. Oh god, there's more passengers coming. Don't tell me they're in this class. Let's see.
Oh, Neymar! Fantastic finish! And the whistle is about to blow for full time.
Can we please remind you to make sure your seat is fully upright, your tray table is stowed, and your window blind is fully up. To remind yourself of the safety features of this aircraft, please read the safety card which is located in your seat pocket. If you have any questions, our cabin crew will be happy to help. Thank you for your attention and enjoy your flight with Qatar Airways.
We look forward to seeing you next time.
أهلا بكم على متن هذه الرحلة. نرجو منكم الانتباه إلى عرض تعليمات السلامة على متن الطائرة. نود تذكير مشاهدينا بضرورة إبقاء المخارج والممرات خالية من الحقائب ووضع الأساسيات تحت المقاعد أمامكم أو في الخزائن العلوية. لسلامتكم ضعوا الأجهزة المحمولة في وضع الطيران أثناء الإقلاع والهبوط، وأغلقوا جميع الأجهزة الإلكترونية وضعوها في مكان آمن أثناء الإقلاع والهبوط. إذا أوقعتم جهازكم الإلكتروني داخل المقعد لا تستخدموا أزرار المقعد بل اطلبوا مساعدة الطاقم. يرجى ربط أحزمة الأمان قبل الإقلاع والهبوط، وعندما تكون علامة حزام الأمان مطلقة تتوفر أحزمة الأمان للرضع. لفك الحزام ارفعوا الغطاء المعدني واسحبوا طرفي الحزام. أما إذا قررتم أخذ قسط من الراحة فتأكدوا من ربط الحزام وإبقائه ظاهرا. عند الجلوس ننصح بعدم فك حزام الأمان. إذا نقص الأكسجين ستهبط أقنعة الأكسجين تلقائيا. قد تحتاجون لسحب الشريط الأحمر الذي سيهبط والمكتوب عليه اسحب.
grateful for your support and making a donation to this noble cause by placing your contribution in the envelope provided in the seat pocket. Please hand over the envelopes to any member of the cabin crew. Thank you.
Hey guys, so the plane has finally departed now. It was delayed due to the poor weather. Inshallah, I believe it's either fog or rain. It's one of them that delayed the flight. And unfortunately, I'm not the only one in this class. There's 3 more people. So yeah, can't wait now to reach Peshawar and look forward to experiencing this class of Qatar Airways. That's what's over there. So yeah, I've got my blanket on. Look at this headset. You can only get this in business class. It's awesome. And got my TV IFE on as well. Gonna watch movie. And I was asked if I want my breakfast now. But I enjoy the drive food, watch movie. When I'm hungry, I like it. So for now, I'm gonna enjoy that. This is nice experience. Perfect. Turn on. So I've got my nice President Sonar headphones on, and it's breakfast time. Watching PEW Hindustani as well. I'm enjoying this journey. Seriously, I am. So hey guys, as I said, no, as I showed you, that was my breakfast, which was like starters, and this is the proper breakfast, you know. It's got chawal, that looks like a kofta, you know, because my sister's, that's her favorite dish. Watching PEW Hindustani, loving this. And last but not least, कोई खराटे ले रहे हैं, बड़ी ऊंची आवाज़ में, अपने ऐसा But yeah, back to practice.
30 دقيقة طباحا، ودرجة الحرارة الخارجية هي 10 درجات مئوية. من أجل سلامتكم يرجى من حضراتكم البقاء جالسين في مقاعدكم مع ربط أحزمة المقاعد إلى أن تتوقف الطائرة نهائيا وتطفأ إشارة أحزمة المقاعد. الرجاء الانتباه أنه هناك إلا في الأماكن المخصصة لذلك في المطار. كما نرجو من حضراتكم أن تأخذوا من أخذ جميع أمتعتكم قبل مغادرة الطائرة. نود أن نعلم حضراتكم بأنه يمكنكم الآن استخدام هواتفكم المنقلة إن أردتم ذلك. نأمل أن تكون الخطوط الجوية والقطرية ضمن خطط رحلاتكم المستقبلية للحجز والاستفسار. الرجاء زيارة موقعنا qataراirways.com. بالنيابة عن الخطوط الجوية والقطرية وتحالف العالم الواحد وقائد الطائرة الكابتن أندرو وبقية أفراد الطاقم، نتمنى لكم إقامة ممتعة هنا في مشوار في باكستان. وإذا كنتم مواصلين رحلتكم إلى وجهة أخرى فنحن نتمنى لكم رحلة آمنة. الخطوط الجوية والقطرية معكم في كل مكان. شكرا وطابت أوقاتكم دائما بكل خير. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Peshawar International Airport in Peshawar, Pakistan. Local time is 35 minutes past the hour 7 in the morning, and the outside temperature is 10 degrees Celsius. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign has been turned off. Please ensure that you have all your personal belongings with you as you leave the aircraft. Also remember that smoking is only permitted in designated areas. You may now use your mobile and electronic devices if you wish to do so. We hope that you include Qatar Airways in your future travel plans. To book your next flight, please visit qatarairways.com. On behalf of Qatar Airways, the Onward Alliance, Captain Andrew and our team of cabin crew, we wish you a pleasant stay here in Peshawar, or safe journey to your final destination. Qatar Airways, going places together. Thank you and have a good day.
Hey guys, how's it going? I'm flying in Peshawar now with Talha. Came to pick me up, surprise me, and it's legit packed out. It's fully on rush everywhere. Because 2 flights came at once, Emirates and Qatar, and people performed Umrah as well. And now this is how we drive in Pakistan. Woohoo! Wait, आराम से. कौन से रोड से जाना है? अगर रिंग रोड से जाएंगे, मैंने चलानी गाड़ी.
रिंग रोड तो इस टाइम भरा होगा.
क्यों? दे दो. तुम रिंग रोड से मुड़ोगे, मुझे पता है.
श्योर?
हाँ, इंडिकेटर दो. मैं भी ये तुम्हारे वाला था. इंडिकेटर दो, मैं चलाता रिंग रोड से.
Are you sure?
आओ बोले ना. खाली हो, मैंने चलाना है. यहाँ पे वहाँ से देता मेरे घर के बाहर से, ठीक है? तो बस बिस्मिल्लाह करो. माय गॉड. खैर, ये क्या करो आप? टाइम लगाओ. अस्सलाम वालेकुम. संगे नूर आओ. Finally home now. अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी. कैसे हैं आप? चाचे क्या हाल है? वालेकुम सलाम. क्या हाल है? खैरियत. अस्सलाम वालेकुम. कैसी आप? कैसी आप?
ठीक है. कैसा रहा आपका सफर?
बच्चा बिजनेस क्लास में आया हुआ है.
अच्छा. तुम तो बहुत हो गए ना. कब से? सुबह से.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम खाला.
2 घंटे लगे.
आज आप पप्पी दे रही है. पप्पी. So hey guys, I'm finally home now, as you've seen it, and to finish this kind of vlog flight report, I would like to thank people who liked my flight report and the Doha city tour, and that's about it really. I'm just gonna go sleep now. I need my sleep, and then I'm gonna start vlogging from tomorrow. So yeah, from me, good morning to you all, because it's morning in Pakistan, and whatever the time is in UK, I don't know. But yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Khuda Paman. Goodbye.